Can a dog jump that high? German Shepherds can run up to 40 kilometers per hour, or 11.1 meters per second. Is that fast enough to jump to the top of the stick? Using that French Bulldog visible in every scene, I have concluded, following this trajectory, at the max height, we should see a height of about 2.7 meters. There will be 3 meters to the right of us, 3 meters to the left, a starting height of 0.75 meters at a starting degree of 60. Our unknown in this equation is our velocity. Our v1 is going to be v to the sine of 60. Our v2 is going to be 0 at the peak. Our acceleration is negative 9.81 meters per second squared. We don't need t, and our delta d is going to be 1.95 meters. Using equation 5, our v2 squared is equal to v1 squared plus 2ad. 0, therefore, is equal to v to the sine of 60 squared plus 2 times negative 9.81 times 1.95. 0 is therefore equal to v sine 60 squared minus 38.259. Therefore, the square root of 38.259 is equal to v sine 60, or 6.185 divided by sine 60 is equal to v, or 7.14 meters per second is equal to v. Therefore, yes, the dog can jump that high, as 7.14 meters per second is less than 11.1 meters per second. The end.